You can solve inequalities just like you would solve an equation. If the problem is subtracting, you're going to add to both sides of the inequality sign in order to get the variable isolated by itself. D minus 2 is less than 7. Since it's subtracting 2, we are going to add 2 to both sides of the symbol. That leaves us with D is less than 9. M minus 11 is greater than 45. Since it's subtracting 11, we're going to add 11 to both sides of the symbol. This leaves us with M is greater than 56. W minus 70 is greater than or equal to 32. We're going to add 70 to both sides. W is greater than or equal to 102. Y minus 56 is less than or equal to 14. You're going to add 56 to both sides of the inequality. This will give us y is less than or equal to 14. So if the problem has addition, you're going to use the subtraction property. You're going to subtract the number from both sides of the inequality so the variable is isolated by itself. X plus 12 is greater than 15. We're going to subtract 12 from both sides of the inequality, and this leaves us with x is greater than 3. A plus 6 is less than 30. We're going to subtract 6 from both sides of the inequality. This leaves us with A is less than 24. P plus 63 is greater than or equal to 70. We're going to subtract 63 from both sides of the inequality. P is greater than or equal to 7. K plus 78 is less than or equal to 86. Subtract 78 from both sides, and this leaves us with K is less than or equal to 8. We can do the same process with multiplication and division. If the problem has you dividing, you are going to multiply by the divisor. X divided by 6 is less than 42, so you're going to multiply by 6. X is less than 252. R divided by 10 is greater than or equal to 17. Since we're dividing by 10, we are going to switch it to multiplying by 10 to give us R is greater than or equal to 170. T divided by 9 is less than or equal to 8. We're going to multiply both sides by 9. So 8 times 9 gives us T is less than or equal to 72. B divided by 5 is greater than 175. We're going to multiply both sides by 5. 175 times 5, B is less than 875. So with a problem that has multiplication, such as 8z, that means 8 times z, you're going to divide by the coefficient. So since it's multiplying by 8, you're going to divide both sides by 8. 32 divided by 8 gives us z is greater than 4. 13 times n is less than 91. We're going to divide both sides by 13. This gives us n is less than 7. 30 times s is less than or equal to 180. We're going to divide both sides by 30 and get s is less than or equal to 50. 15 times v is greater than or equal to 225. Divide both sides by 15, and we have v is greater than or equal to 15.